If you want naman wealth protection, no, ang pwede mong ilagay na rider can be the total and permanent disability, personal accident, and then yung enhanced waiver of premium. So the same age 35 male, um, no, pay up to age 65 din itong quotation na ito. Alright? So kung titignan mo, 1 million life insurance, 500,000 total and permanent disability, which is napakamura ng rider na yan. 500,000 accident insurance coverage up to age 75, yung TPD coverage up to age 65, plus the enhanced waiver premium in case of total and permanent disability or critical illness. No, so kahit wala kang critical illness rider, at the very least, ma-waive yung premium mo, 'di ba? So total 19,387.77 lang. So kung kukuha ka siguro ng Max Protect at gusto mo pure insurance lang, dagdagan mo na nitong tatlong riders na to. No, at the very least, para at least, 'di ba? Hindi mo alam, hindi pa naman namatay na aksidente or na stroke, no? Pag na stroke, wala kang makukuha kung pure insurance lang. Pero kung dito, naging totally and permanently disabled because of stroke, may makukuha na 500,000. So yun yung purpose ng TPD. Or na-aksidente tapos talagang nabaldado lang. Yan. Or personal accident, no, na-aksidente, may additional coverage ka aside from the 1 million life insurance, may additional coverage in case of accidental death or dismemberment. Naputulan ng kamay, due to accident, buhay pa, may makiklaim din tayo dyan. No? So again, the detailed discussion of these riders, I will create a separate video para well-explain natin yung bawat rider na yan. Alright? Then, again, yung enhanced waiver of premium, napakamura lang din naman yan, lalo na kung bata ka. Alright? So, ang ganda nitong option na to.